Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to decorate your kitchen with a stunning quartz backsplash. In this video, we'll walk you through the process using the following components: quartz slabs, adhesive, backer board, thinset mortar, seam filler, edge profiles, caulk, silicone, screws, brackets, leveling system, grout, tile spacers, sealer, underlayment, trowel, tape, sandpaper, cleaner, and protective pads. Let's get started. Step 1. Preparing the wall. The first step is to prepare the wall where the quartz backsplash will be installed. Make sure the surface is clean, dry, and free from any debris. If needed, use sandpaper to smooth out any rough spots. Step 2. Installing the backer board. Next, install the backer board onto the wall. Measure and cut the backer board to fit the desired area. Secure it to the wall using screws, making sure it's level and properly aligned. Step 3. Applying the thinset mortar. Now, it's time to apply the thinset mortar. Using a trowel, spread the mortar evenly onto the backer board. Ensure that the coverage is consistent and sufficient for the size of your quartz slabs. Step 4. Placing the quartz slabs. Carefully place the quartz slabs onto the thinset mortar, starting from one corner and working your way across. Use a leveling system to ensure a straight and even installation. Adjust the slabs as necessary to achieve the desired pattern or design. Step 5. Filling the seams. If your quartz backsplash requires multiple slabs, use seam filler to fill in the gaps between them. Apply the filler using a trowel, and smooth it out for a seamless appearance. Allow it to dry according to the manufacturer's instructions. Step 6. Adding edge profiles. Enhance the aesthetics of your quartz backsplash by adding edge profiles. Choose a profile that complements your kitchen style and carefully attach it to the exposed edges of the quartz slabs using adhesive. Step 7. Applying caulk and silicone. To create a watertight seal and prevent moisture from seeping in, apply caulk along the joints between the quartz backsplash and the countertop or adjacent walls. Additionally, use silicone sealant around areas where water may come into contact with the quartz, such as near the sink. Step 8. Finishing touches. Once all the components are in place, remove any protective tape that was used during the installation. Clean the quartz backsplash using a quartz cleaner to ensure it shines and looks its best. Lastly, apply a sealer to protect the surface from stains and maintain its durability. Finally, show the finished quartz backsplash, and there you have it, a beautifully decorated quartz backsplash that adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. With the right components and a little bit of effort, you can transform your space into a stunning culinary haven. Thank you for watching our video.